Hello everyone, I'm Susan Joke, the Creative Director of Suture Paints and Crafts. And in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to make the pleated and twisted turban cap. We have the pleated turban, pleated and twisted turban cap. Yeah, this is it, twisted. Yeah, so stay calm and let's get started into the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button to get notified anytime we post a new video. Isn't this looking very beautiful, guys? We needed our scrubber material, our old baby material. Call this old baby. You can find it at those that sell tailoring materials. Our tape rule, our needle and thread, scissors and tailor's chalk, then some office pins. We'll be moving on to our measurements. 13 inches length by 23.5 inches wide is what I use for my base. Then I also cut out 23.5 inches wide by 5 inches length for our band. Then I also cut out 25 inches wide by 20 inches length. 20 inches length by 25 inches wide is what I'll be using for my frame. The pleating is what I'll be using for the pleats and the twist. So I also cut the same length for our old baby. That's the same 25 inches wide by 20 inches length, and I set that aside. So I'll be cutting our hand for tying. I'll be using to tie the frame after we finish pleating it. So I'll be cutting. I cut out 10.5 inches wide by 5 inches length. I cut out two pieces of 5 inches length by 10.5 inches length, and I'll be using this to tie the hand of our frame. So let's get started into the real business of the day. So what I'll be doing next is, after cutting out my measurements, I'll be making my normal round shaped turban cap. I pin my band to my base this way, and I'll be taking it to the same machine. I'm going to sew it. After sewing it, I'll join the band together, make my turban finishing. So I'll be making my round shaped turban cap, and I'll set it aside before making my frame. So I finished making the round shaped turban cap. This is it. So we're moving to the making of the frame, that is the pleated and the twisted frame that I'll be adding to our turban cap to beautify the turban. If you don't know how to make the round shaped turban cap, you can go to our previous video on how to make the round shaped turban cap. I'll be posting the link of how to make the round shaped turban cap in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you. So what I'll be doing next is, I place my old baby material on my scrubber material like this. The right side of the scrubber material is facing up, and I place it on the old baby on the scrubber material. Then I pin it down this way. I pin it down like this. Then what I'll do next is I'll be measuring 15 inches, and I'm going to sew it. Yeah. So what I did is I measure 15 inches like this, and I mark my 15 inches. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be taking it to my sewing machine. I'll start my sewing from this side down to my 15 inches, leaving the remaining 10 inches. Remember our measurement was 25 inches wide by 20 inches length. So I marked 15 inches and I sew from here to this side. So I'll sew it and get back to us. So I sew this down after taking my measurement of 15 inches. Sew it down this way. I also sew this edge down to keep the fabric in place, and I also sew this down to 15 inches from here to here. 15 inches, I sew it down 15 inches to keep it in place. Sew it down 15 inches to keep the two fabric together in place. I sew them together from here 15 inches, this other edge to 15 inches, and I also sew this edge together to keep the two fabric in place. So what I'll be doing next is, after sewing the three edges, this 15 inches, this other edge to 15 inches, then I sew this down. I sew it like this, and like this. Remember, I leave our 10 inches. This is what we're using to make our twist. So I'll do the pleating now and get back to us. Make your pleating, making sure that your pleating does not exceed this point. So I measure my 15 inches and mark it like this, so that it will give me, to make me know that okay, my pleating should not exceed this place while I'm tacking the pleats down. So I'll make the pleats now and get back to us. You can do your pleating with 1 inch interval, 1.5 inches, 2 inches interval, depending on how big or how small you want your pleat to be. So I'll pleat it now and get back to us. So I've started making our pleats. Started making it. Yes, this is it. From this point to where, to our 15 inches. Yes, this is where the 15 inches is. This is 15 inches I marked. So this is it. Make our pleats. Just make it the same way we make our auto gilly frame. The way we make our pleats. This is it. That's it. Okay. I've made 3 pleats already. This is the back. Remember, your back must be in alignment and your front must also be in alignment. So I've finished making the pleat from here to this end, to the end of the fabric, and I'll get back to us. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button to get notified anytime we make a new video. Thank you, and let's keep making the pleats, guys. So I finished making the pleats, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pleats. I folded the remaining parts where I sew here. I folded it in like this because I don't want the sewn parts to be shown outside. So this is the front. Remember, the needle, the thread is not showing outside where I close, and this is the back of our pleats. This is it. Yeah. This is the back. This is the front. The back is in alignment and the front is in alignment. Yeah. So we'll be using the rest here to make our pleats, our twists. So I'll be making twists with this remaining parts of the pleat. So we have pleats on the other side and we have the twist on another side. So I'll make the twist now, just the same way we make our twists. So I'll separate the remaining part like this. This is the screw bar, this is the OBB. So I fold my screw bar like this, fold it so that I'll be able to make my pleats. I fold it like twice, fold it twice. I'll also fold the OBB too like this, fold it twice this way. So fold this twice. After folding, you twist it this way, twist one part, twist the second one as well, twist it. So after twisting the first one, twist the second one, then twist it with each other this way. Remember, you twist one part before placing the second one on it. So you twist it and you also twist it this way like this. So after twisting it, you can just tack it down with your needle and thread. Tack it down with your needle and your thread. Just do it this way. Place your needle in it. Tack it down like this. Then you will twist your thread round the open edge this way. Can make it round like 2 or 3 times before you tack it to keep it in place. So just watch me. When you watch, you understand what I'm doing. Yes. So you continue to tack it down. So tack it down like this. Yes. And also tack it again to keep it in place. Yes. So we are done with our twists and our pleats. So what we're doing next is to tack our hand for tying. Yes, so we are through with our pleats and our twists. This is it. This is the pleats. This is the twist. So what I'm doing next is I'll be attaching the hand for tying. Attach it here, and I'll also attach it to this place. So I'll do that and get back to this. What I did next is I bring out my 10.5 inches wide by 5 inches length. Then I fold it together like this. Fold it in its right side inside, while wrong side outside. Then I'm going to sew. I'll leave like 2 inches opening. Then I'll sew this way like this. Fold it in with right side facing each other. Leave 2 inches opening this way. Then you sew down like this. Sew it from here. Make your curve, sew it this way. So your 2 inches. So I'll sew from here like this to the 2 inches opening, and I'll turn it to the right side. I'll also do same for the second piece, so I'll do that and get back to us. So I finished sewing it, and now I finished sewing it, and I've turned it to the right side. This is it, and this is it. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be attaching the handle to my frame. So just fold it in this way, place it like this, then tack it down with my needle and thread to keep it in place. So I'll tack it down now. I'll also tack the hand to the other one like this. So I'll do that and get back to us. So I'll finish attaching the hand to my frame, both the twists and also the pleats. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be attaching my frame. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be attaching the frame to my turban cap the same way we do our auto relief frame. So I will tack it down with my needle and thread. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to tack it down with my needle and thread the same way we do our auto relief frame. Yep. So we have come to the end of our pleated and twisted turban cap. So just tack it down like this, tack it to your base where we do our auto gilling. Yeah, isn't this beautiful? Yes, this is very beautiful and lovely. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, please, as usual, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button to get notified anytime we post a new video. Yeah, so I love you all. Thank you. Stay safe and make sure you do a practice, and after making your practice you can send it to us, send it to our Facebook page or our Facebook group at Studio Bits and Crafts. You can also put it in the comment, place picture in the comment box. Yes, so this is it. Yeah, isn't this looking very beautiful? This is looking very, very beautiful. Yeah, I remain our one and only Susan Jacob Studio Bits and Crafts. Thank you. Have a lovely day and bye bye.